Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a haul. I recently went shopping at the Tanger outlets and picked up a bunch of things for myself, even though it is the Christmas season. But in all honesty, I do most of my clothes shopping either around the Christmas time or 4th of July because there's just so many great deals on clothing that you really can't get throughout the year. So I'm going to share in this video today some things that I picked up at H&M, White House Black Market, the cosmetics company, and Adidas. So if you love hauls and fashion, I hope you will give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel right here. I also have a writing channel where I talk about writing tips and literary analysis, and that's usually linked down below too, so give me some love on that channel too. So first up, I'm going to share what I got at the cosmetics company. Everything was 50 or 40% off. And they had some really great deals on Becca products. And at first I was kind of hesitant about buying makeup. Then I was like, I really have been wanting like highlighters, and I know I'm just going to buy these things anyway later on down the road. So why not get the discount now? So I picked up the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector pressed powder. It's kind of like a combination between like a powder and a highlighter. I think you could really use it like either or. The packaging is really pretty, silver and then this rose gold. Now I'm gonna try not to chip my nails because I just got them done 2 days ago. Oh yes, and so this is just this really pretty kind of like opal shimmer. I'm not super big on highlighters, but I've heard so many great things about Becca that I had to give it a try. And this is considered a powder, and this color is Vanilla Quartz. So sometimes at the cosmetics company, some of these products may be discontinued or they might come out with new packaging, but I've never had any problems with any of the things I've picked up. In fact, I usually try to get my favorite foundation if they have my shade 1 and 2 ECRU and Estee Lauder Double Wear. It's basically half price than what you would pay for at Macy's or Sephora. They had a great deal on all of these like green MAC brushes. I think they were probably from either a St. Patrick's Day or a holiday collection. And I got, you can't really tell what the brush is called, but it looks like to be like an eye crease or blending brush, and I've never had a MAC eye brush before, but this was $6 and I've just heard so many great things about it, about MAC brushes, so I really couldn't pass that up. And then I also picked up a Becca primer. This is the First Light Priming Filter. It's an instant complexion refresh, or so it claims, and it comes out purple. I have used this a few times. Not enough to determine if I really like it. I will say that it didn't make my skin like super greasy like I was worried about, but I also didn't see any like drastic benefits to reducing my pores or making my foundation last. So I'll try it out a few more times and give you guys an updated review. As many of you know, I have really been loving White House Black Market recently. They've just been having some really cute clothes on at really affordable prices. And I picked up this adorable leopard sweater, and it has these little gold buttons. I think this is just perfect with jeans and some black boots. It's a nice form-fitting sweater, so it will keep you warm, but also be kind of tapered to your body. And this shirt is pretty unique. I know not everyone's gonna like it, but it is just this kind of off-white sheer material with these sparkly pink flowers and vines. I tried it on with a pair of black skinny jeans and it looked really cute. I think it will be super festive for the holiday season, and I believe this was $7.99, so you cannot beat a super quality shirt for really that price. And I love this scoop neck. You can kind of wear it off the shoulder if you like. It is a little bit sheerer, so it's not going to keep you super warm if you live up north. They also had these like pink dress pants to go with it, but I didn't like the fit of them. They were just a little bit too like skinny and tight to your leg. H&M had a lot of amazing deals. My mom actually also got a sweater. She picked up a cream pearl sweater, and I got this gray one. It's a mock neck. And not only does it have pearls, but it also has these silver beads. So super cute and festive for the Christmas season. And this sweater is nice and fitted. I think it will look perfect with black jeans or faux leather leggings. I also like how the sleeves are kind of bigger around your shoulder, and then they taper out to a really nice fit. So I'm just obsessed with this shirt. I don't think I will ever get over the whole pearls trend. Kate Spade also had amazing bags, and I may or may not have asked for one for Christmas. But finally, I picked up something from Adidas, which I've never shopped at the Adidas outlet before, and they had a lot of great sales in like sports bras and leggings, but since I mostly work out at home, I don't really like to spend a lot of money on active clothes. But I did pick up this t-shirt for $9.99. I just thought it was really great to wear like kind of around the house with leggings, or you know, if you wanted to wear it out to a workout or whatever, to something that's really casual. I feel like you can never have enough quality t-shirts, so I picked that up as well. And that wraps up my short and sweet Tanger Outlets haul. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have been doing any Christmas shopping for others or for yourself. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye!
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all, from the lights to the mistletoe.